yeah, October 6th.
Wow.
Which, let's see, is Monday the 1st? Monday's October
Yeah.
1st.
Yeah.
Yeah, so next week.
Yeah, well, on Nathan's
Wah, wah,
His
wah.
wedding.
wedding.
Well, wait, his wedding's on the 5th, right?
Wah, wah,
Friday.
wah, wah.
Oh, Saturday.
Wah, 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 wah.
Yeah. Guess
Tell us
what?
about
Nathan's
it.
wedding.
7 months. How do you give him a month?
Tell us about it.
He could be walking in another 4 to 6 weeks. Another 4 to 6 weeks, about 6 weeks.
That's right. That's what I was saying.
I walked when I turned 9 months.
Wah, 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 wah.
The day I turned 9 months, I took my first
Wah,
breath.
wah.
The day I turned 9 months.
You were 9 months. Justin was 8.5. I think you're going to be early. Do you think you'll be early? Well, tell me about it. Tell your mumsy about it. Are you ready? Daddy's getting you on video.
Yeah, they actually, I'm told that there's a video of it.
Have you walked it?
Because they were over at a couple's house, Floyd Lee Baker, that was his name, I remember. And they had one of those movie cameras. Of course, it was on a
These
reel type thing.
Yeah.